There we go. Ez daki. Funtzionatzen da. Funtzionatzen ari da, bai ala ez. Zer moduz. Streaming izan du. Baina ez dut ikusi nire pantalla. Non dagoen. Entzun didazu? Bai ala ez. Let's check this out. Zer moduz Euskal Herria, entzun didazu bai ala ez.
Look at this.
Not now. Not now. Hori da. Not now. Hori da. Not now. Entzun didazu? Eko dago? Entzun didazu bai ala ez. Bestia partida entzun didazu bai ala ez. Norbait esan bai. Entzun didazu bai ala ez. Entzun? Kaixo. Entzun didazu bai ala ez. Bastia partida, entzun didazu? ¿Me oyes? Bai ala ez. ¿Me puedes oír? Man, this is funky. I don't think so. Entzun didazue bai ala ez. Zergatik elkazten. Zergatik zaude beto direktuan? Bastia partida, entzun didazu? Bai ala ez. Bai? Eta musika ere bai? Entzun didazu? Entzun dio? Jarri kanta bat. Bueno, a ver. Sistema berria probatzen ari naiz. Bai. Eta euskeraz hitz egiten dut. Euskeraz hitz egiten naiz, baina, bueno, bulego kantu bat. Hori da euskeraz. Gaston, ongi etorri, eskerik asko jatortzeagatik. Bueno, 20 minuto bat hitz egingo dut zuenekin. Eta gero, beste zuzenien egingo dut Motx Cafe alde zaharrean, Donostian alde zaharrean. Baina orain nire sistema berria probatzen ari naiz. Eta dena pixka bat arraroa da, ez dakit zergatik, baina ez da ondo erabiltzen du. Ez dakit zergatik, baina, bueno, hemen gaude. Eta zerbait da, mi esker etortzeagatik jarraitu nazazue mesedez, euskara ikasten ari naiz. Gero nahi duzu ikasi kanta barri bat? Noski. Zein abestin adibidez, gotzon. Zer abestia komandatzen zaitut. Nongo zara, bastia partida estatu bat barra naiz. Mexiko berrian jaio nintzen. Eta gero Jutan hasi nintzen. Nire abizena Zúñiga da, Nafarroakoa da. Orduan, nola esaten da, erabaki dut euskara ikastera duela denbora asko. Duela hogeita urte, Kadiz bizi nintzen. Eta Kadiz bizi nintzen bitartean, nire abizena Zúñiga euskal jatorrikoa zela ikasi nuen. Eta geroztik nire helburua bizitzan euskara ikastera da. Orduan orain, bueno, urte bete eta erdi Euskal Herrira etorri nintzen euskara ikastera. Eta orain hemen nago Donostian euskara ikastean, hau da nire bigarren ikasturtea euskaltegian. Ni esker nago ni jarraitzeagatik. Oso ongo hitz egiten duzu esan dit nago. Ni nago, zu oso jatorra zara. Ni esker hori esateagatik. Nongoa zara zu nago. Mi esker laguntzeagatik. Eta esateagatik oso jatorra zara. Oso maja zara. Gotzon, zu ere bai, mi esker ni jarraitzeagatik. Anartz beraz saluze. Anartz beraz saluze 00 mi esker ni jarraitzeagatik. Uruñakoa, ez da urruti, ez da urruti ondoan dago. Gustatzen zait Iruña. Eta zer ikasten ari zara, zer egiten ari zara bizitzan dago. Eta bai, mintza praktika bat egiten ari naiz egunero, baina normalki gauero, orduz 10 hemen TikToken, euskara ikastera, hobetzera. Baina orain joan behar dut, gutxi, gero gutxi beste zuzenen egitera alde zaharrean, Donostian. Orduan, naro, mi esker ni jarraitzeagatik. Aurten euskara zei bat atera nahi dut, baina pixkat gaizki noa. Hombre, oso ondo, non jaio zinen nago, hemen Euskal Herrian, Iruñan, baina orain hau paskotzek sekulako euskara besarkada handia Bilbotik. Mi esker hemen bai oso ondo. Bai. Bueno, nago, denborarekin dena ikasten da. Pazientzia bat. Eta batzuetan mintza praktika egin nahi duzu, mezu bidali eta beti mintza praktika egiten ari naiz jende hemen TikToken. Praktikatzera, ni hitz egitera, ulertzmena, hitz egitemena. Me defiendo, ondo egiten ari naiz, baina idaztea, ikurmena pixka bat zaiak dira niretzat. Badakitzu, baina horrelakoa da bizitza. Ez da. Bueno, Mi esker J. Mary. Pasko zelako zu besarkada handia bak pilotik. Zuere bai, beretan. Patora zara. Bueno, lagunak, mi esker etortziagatik orain alde zarrian noa, Donostian, zuzene bat egitera, nire lagunerekin Motx kafean, eta etorri nahi badazue, zuzenean egongo naiz, hemen TikToken, etorri nahi badazu, kafe bat hartuko artera, nirekin eta mintze praktika egingo dugu, elkarrekin oraintxe. Bai, zergatik ez, Iri ustez zerbait polita da. Bueno, mi esker etortziagatik, joan behar dut orain, eta gero, etorri bihar gauean, ordu 10:00, La Txamal taldea, musikal taldea da, La Txamal taldea egongo dira nire zuzenean, eta hitz egingo dugu bera musikaentzat eta euskal musika buruz, eta zerbait berezia eta polita izango da. Orduan etorri mesedez nire zuzeneara bihar gauean ordu 10:00, 12:00. Eta bai, mi esker nago ni jarraitzeagatik eta denoi hemen nire zuzenean. Bueno, gero arte, besarkada handia bat eta bai, ikusiko gara. Agur! Agur. My ancestors are Basque, so I always wanted to study Basque.
Yeah.
So I was like, forget it. I work remotely, so I was like, I'm just gonna take off.
Oh, you work remote right now?
That's nice.
There's no market.
And so I was like, I'm out of here.
You got US money.
Yeah.
Spain.
Uh-huh.
Good combination.
And so I started TikToking my Basque journey in summertime, and it's doing really well because people are like, whoa, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
US money in Spain, that's a combo.
It's fun.
Combo,
Yeah. Which part of Pennsylvania are you from?
I'm from rural Pennsylvania, so I'm like, if you know where State College is in the middle, I'm like directly south
Like
of that.
Allentown, is that close to?
Really? Allentown? Yeah.
I had a friend from there, and
Yeah,
so
I know Allentown. I don't live near it. I'm about like an hour. I'm
Okay.
between, I'm like in the part of Pennsylvania where it's like 15 minutes from Maryland and
Oh,
then
okay.
15 from West Virginia.
yeah, okay, yeah.
So
So,
I'm like a little, I say,
profundo.
yeah.
Do you guys speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Learning, or what are you guys even doing here?
We're English teachers.
So you don't need to speak Spanish
No.
very well, because the point is they're trying to learn English.
We're in the Valencia region, so I'm taking over Valencia.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it is.
That's awesome.
We like St. Pretty nice.
Yeah, yeah, this is great for the outdoors. It's probably not as touristy as Valencia, but it is pretty touristy, especially in the summertime, but it's not as sunny as yours. So.
So you get out to the mountain here.
Yeah, that mountain right there is not a huge mountain, but it's like great for just walks. Have you guys gone up that?
Yeah,
Good?
I think we were just there. Statue on top. Yes.
Yeah. Did you go to the bar?
It's closed.
Yeah, everything's all stacked up,
Yeah.
whatever, yeah.
It's got a beautiful view. But yeah, then there's a ton of like wall hikes, so many mountains around here. So if you love outdoors, and then the ocean is perfect for surfing, skiing, well, not skiing, but like kayaking and sailing and everything else. So, how long are you guys here for?
So June, May June.
No, I mean in San Sebastian.
Tomorrow we go to Bilbao.
Nice. So these are your coworkers, or?
Yeah, we all work in like a town and
We're their bosses.
Were you guys affected by the rain?
our part wasn't, but because we're not in the suburbs, we're like farther south.
The trains completely got shut down, so we were affected
And
slightly.
That was pretty sad. Everybody here was like pretty shocked.
Yeah, it was just kept getting worse.
Life is much.
Well, I'm glad you guys survived.
Yeah,
I'm not trying to say,
Yeah.
you know what I
Right,
mean.
yeah, no.
But anyway, well, shoot, nice meeting you guys.
It's a small world, crazy.
What do you guys got going on the rest of the day? Just exploring?
We're just exploring.
So we found the right coffee shop. Bueno, Irene, mi esker ni jarraitzeagatik bazen hemen gaude. Motx kafean. Amerikarrekin. You guys want to say hi on my TikTok?
Sure.
Venga, Amerikarak. I'm going to interview these guys. So,
Hola.
what's your name?
My name is Mark.
Hau da Mark, Amerikarra da. Baina zerbait erraroa, Mark Utahgoa ni bezala. Ogden goa da, ni bezala, bikaina hiri berria nire berria da. Non hasi nintzen, eta zerbait erradoa da. Estatu batetan, orduan, estatu batuen handia da, luzea eta handia da. Baina, begira, bi mutiak Utahgoak dira, eta zerbait polita da.
Okay.
I was explaining how we're from the same city.
Okay.
It's just so crazy.
Yeah,
So, ¿qué estás haciendo aquí?
Nomás andamos de visita, nomás de... A ver, para explorar un poco. Primera vez aquí en San Sebastián,
¿Y
entonces...
qué tal? ¿Te gusta?
La comida muy bien, muy bonito la verdad, muy
¿Sí,
bonito.
no?
Sí.
¿Habéis comido ya o no? Sí. ¿Dónde comisteis?
Sí, ya.
¿Pinchos?
Pinchos, sí.
Pinchos.
Cualquier lugar ahí entramos, una bebida, unos pinchos y ya.
Marcatu. Está en directo. Perdón. Pero sí. Para Sensaos, let's see if anybody's asking anything. I think no questions. Do you guys want to say hi?
Sure.
Okay. Bestea, Americana. Here, let me turn this a little bit. Do you guys want to?
Okay.
So, aquí tenemos a unos americanos que están visitando al País Vasco, and I'm going to teach them some Basque while they're here. Because Noski. All right, you guys, ready for this? So, do you guys know how to say anything in Basque? So, do you guys know how to say hello? Okay, so say hello, you say kaixo. Kaixo. So, say kaixo, everybody.
Kaixo.
Slowly, people. So Kaisho, that's the name of my account, is Kaisho Scott. It's kind of like Hello Kitty, but Hello Scott.
Okay.
So like Kaisho Scott, it's easy to remember. And then to say goodbye, you say agur. Agur. Yeah, agur, like kind of like in the tongue, agure. Agur, I don't know if you've ever heard that, but it's agur, A-G-U-R. Agur, so agur, Kaisho, and agur. Those are the two most important things, just to say Kaisho. So it's really easy. So, what are your names? Go ahead and tell everybody.
My name is Cole.
Where are you from, Cole?
I'm from Tennessee, near Nashville.
Oh, Nashville. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a fun place.
Yeah, Music City.
Music City.
Yeah. And
My name is Aloika.
Aloika?
Yes.
Wow, that's a great name.
Thank you. And I'm from Seattle.
Awesome. And
My name's Brooke. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
awesome. Well, thanks for coming, you guys, for my life. And I think we have some Euskaldunak. Hemen gaude. Etorri, vale. Zen modos. Sen modus saude.
Movida purtu diate.
Bai, zergatik. But, zuzenean dago, noski, Amerikarrak dira. Eta hemen al azar, comprando café. Pero zer moduz? Ondo? Eta zure izena da Aiona. Oh, zu norbait da. Ez nekien. Zu norbait. Pentsatu dut norbait gizona izan da. Cool. Sorry, we just have a little background.
No, you're good. You're good.
So cool, you guys. Well, I hope you enjoy your stay. And
Thank you.
learn some.
Jimmy Taylor.
He's from American
Etorri nahi batzu, bai, moch. Numa, ¿quieres ver a Numa? Hemen dago. Kafearekin. He's working, you guys.
¿Cómo la conocen?
He's making a living. Not as hard as me, of course, but
Pero la escuela está aquí. Ah, no, nosotros no somos de aquí. No, por eso dije.
También tiene amigos estadounidenses
ahorita bien moch.
No, nosotros estamos viviendo en Valencia. Entonces, no, la hemos vivido.
Mi eskaini jarraitzeagatik partekatu nire zuzenean gaude. Moch kafea. We'll move it over here. Just trying to move this around a good spot.
Cafetería favorita en Madrid. Dame un top 3.
¿El TikTok?
Son los fans, los más grandes.
Muy bien. ¿Cuántos seguidores tienes entonces?
¿Seguidores?
Serrano puede ser.
Casi 5,000.
Hay dos que nacen de ahí.
Getting there. But it's going fast. I started in July too, so that's kind of a fast trajectory. So, yeah, because I'm just working on it every day. I do
What's
something new.
are you just like working online right now then? And then you're
I tell everybody I'm a professional TikToker.
Hey, there you go.
I was like, I'm a
you make music.
yeah, I'm a musician too. So I'm on Spotify. I have like 100 monthly listeners. So
What's your
you guys have it. My name's Scott Zuniga. Zuniga. Yeah, so Zuniga.
Okay. That's memorable.
What type of music is it?
It's like it's singer-songwriter. So if you like Beirut, Sufjan Stevens,
Oh yeah.
the Beatles, yeah, that style of music.
Okay.
Like Jose Gonzalez, that style. You'll like mine. It's kind of like sometimes it's like chamber rock, but also just acoustic stuff. So, and I've been recording here since I got here. That's kind of one of the reasons I moved here. Is like I want to start like really focusing on more of the things I care about.
For sure.
Because you know I did the grind for so long. But you guys feel the same way. Probably.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're
Right?
here.
And like you guys can relate.
We have more time for hobbies.
Yeah.
Right.
Hobbies and quality of life.
Pursuits, yeah.
Versus not just feeling like you're just grinding all the time, living just to work.
Right.
You following me on TikTok?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Spotify.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Cool.
We'll listen to that later in the Airbnb.
Yeah, jam out. That's it.
All right.
What type of music you make?
It's singer-songwriter, so a lot of it's acoustic based, but also some chamber rock like Sufjan Stevens or Beirut and the Beatles. You know, just depending on what you're into. There's something for everyone.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 44,
44.
but I use a lot of avocados. I'm a vampire. I'm a vampire. I've got that Benjamin Button thing going on.
Living a lot of different lives.
Yeah. Now I am. Before I was a zombie, but now.
Yeah, what'd you do before?
I was in the United States. I had my own business, and I had a security business, something the complete opposite of what I'm doing now. It was just like anytime I would tell people that I do, their eyes would just glaze over, like I can see them falling asleep with their eyes open. I just didn't feel like
Sí.
So now I'm just like, I want to learn Basque. That's my life goal is to learn Basque. And so I just made it happen. And now I'm just really like laser focused on doing as good as fast as I can. I just really enjoy it.
That's impressive. Like not only Spanish, but like putting in this whole other
Yeah.
regional language. Like, that's,
Wait, did you grow up speaking Spanish?
No, I learned it. I was a Mormon before in another life. Yeah, to southern Spain. I was in Andalusia. Yeah, and so I lived in Cali. Yeah, Cali is the best.
great place. Yeah.
It's awesome. It's kind of like a peninsula, you know,
Yeah.
But I was there, and that's where I learned Spanish when I was 20. I don't know how old y'all are. So you're the old fart.
I've been in the professional world for a couple years.
There you go.
So I decided to take a little.
Yeah, like that was enough.
Yeah.
Enough of that. You're smart. 3 years, and that's enough.
And then I'm like, maybe, I don't know. Now that I've been out here, I'm kind of like, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
Now it's good change, you know. Ven, Numa, ven. ¿Conocéis a Numa?
Sí, del vídeo.
Del vídeo, ¿no?
Sí,
Aquí está. Aquí está todo el mundo, Numa.
¡Eh!
All 3 people who are watching.
Sí, sí.
Yeah.
És d'aquí d'Euskeras i Castellar i Nice. Vai.
No son dos.
Noski.
Pixkanaka, pixkanaka.
Con él. Poliki, poliki, bai. Oso zaila da, baino, ba.
Ni bera irakaslean.
Bai. Uf, egunero.
Egunero. Zure bikote euskalduna da. Numaren bikotea.
Euskera?
Nada. Ni una palabra.
Ni una palabra. But anyway,
Pero hablas muy bien.
so that's it.
And
I was like,
it's
yeah.
really interesting because when the people ask me, like, and what is much? And much, mozza.
Egunon, Sabino.
Mozza, ¿sabes? En euskera.
Moza,
mozza,
es corto.
corto,
Corto.
eso es.
La burra bezala.
We say life is much, because you know, and we say to enjoy the much moment of life. You know, the little things, like the coffee, like this moment, for example.
Yeah.
That's the deal.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Don't forget it.
I feel
Don't forget it,
that's
life
what I
is-
was
life is
telling
much.
you last night.
That is.
Mark. Bro, that's so crazy. I still like, bro, it's
Yeah,
from
that-
Ogden. It's so great, bro. I've never met anybody
Yeah.
who stayed. Well, she just met some people that
Yeah.
literally live like right where she was
Oh, really?
from.
Yeah.
Oh, really? In Seattle? I'm
Yeah.
just moving this camera.
A couple days ago.
I haven't met anybody from like Utah or out here, and then I'm
No,
like, and I
it's
was
pretty. I can just there's some there's a pretty. I guess you. I don't say big expat community here, but there's definitely an expat community. But I've met mostly people from California.
yeah.
It's like I don't know how it is in Valencia, but probably a lot of people from California there too. I imagine.
Still a lot of Europeans too.
Kind of a lot of Europeans. Yeah, there's a lot of Europeans here. But yeah. But I'm learning Euskera through Spanish. So it's kind of like a double decker. It's like
Yeah.
you have to here if you want to learn Euskera really well, you have to speak Spanish.
Right.
But you don't have to in general. You like there's online courses and stuff where you can just go straight from English to Basque. But yeah, it's easier because so much stuff they relate it to. And like we say in Spanish, especially here the schools, they're called Euskaltegis, which just means a school where they teach Basque. And so it's set up by the government. Every city has one or several, and they're all subsidized. So you can learn Basque for free, and because they want to promote the Basque language. And so I go to one of these schools, just just around the corner from here, and that's where I learn. And yeah, it's fun.
Practice.
Yep. Yep. And then I have a lot of friends that help me out every day. Get online, just practice chatting.
Oh yeah.
Yep. They correct my mistakes. Like, no, you're saying it wrong, which is good. You know, that's the best way to learn. So.
Okay.
Yep.
Not bad.
Tomorrow we're.
Pasa.
Pasa.
Muy buenas.
Nice. Oh, that's cool.
Bueno.
Alright, well.
Great. Nice to meet you guys. Maybe we'll see if you hang out in the old city a little while longer. I don't know if you guys are headed out somewhere.
We're just kind of going with the flow.
Vibing. I don't know wherever life takes us. So
Yeah?
we'll see.
Well, Kaisho Scott's the account. Send me a message. Maybe when I'm done, I'll see what you guys are up to. Maybe give you a little tour.
I love
Your
that.
city.
There you go.
Alright,
Yeah.
brother.
Hey, yeah.
Nice to meet
Meet you
you.
guys. Yeah, nice to meet you guys. Say it.
Americano.
Tiene chat directo.
Vai, directo ada.
Como veía la Purtu, stole my phone.
Boom, nor,
I don't know.
baina non,
Atzo.
Atzo?
Trenean.
trenean, tristea da.
Oso.
Zer moduz norbait? Zu norbait benetan? Ez dakit zergatik pentsatu duzu gizona izan. Bueno, nongoak zarete?
Segura?
Non?
Segura.
Non dago segura?
Goierin.
Goiarin,
Goierin.
ez dakit non dago.
Beasai?
Ah, behazan.
Beasai non da, beasai.
Baina urruti dago, hemendik?
Berrogei minutu. Berrogeita
No? Trenez?
tren inbarroke autobusa hartu zerarik beasaina.
Aha.
Beasai nikoraka trena.
Trajekto largo, Kaixo Scott ikustera. Hombre. Eta zu ere bai, ezta? Lagunak, ez?
Bai, klase.
Klase?
Sartu ginen direktor por cuentas falsas. Eta gero eta ginen zen ginen. Eta, osea, jakin gabe ezautu ginen. Osea, jakin ginen ez. Jakin zen ginen tampon.
Ah, barkatu. Eguno. I don't think anybody's even watching this. Inor.
Atxu eta
Markel hemen dago. Jende asko invitándome a venir. Muchos quieren, pero ya no. Pero bueno,
Podemos tener de Sacona y de Ojo.
ahora en gente Gucci
Eta
vaya.
jaul.
¿Te acuerdas cuál llama?
Jaul?
Jaul
Jaul?
de
Oh,
compras.
jaul, mango jaul. Venga, manga jaul.
Ez Tiger.
Oso ondo. Ai, gustatzen zait. Con espejorekin.
Sí, creo que
No es
Espioa.
Espioa.
Y un banco gótico.
Errazer.
Horacia.
Horrazia.
Horacia.
Sí, sí. ¿Qué idioma hablas?
Polita.
¿Qué idioma hablas?
La joya.
Inglés.
La joya, la
You like
corona.
the coffee? Yeah. You remember
Ay, ay,
this or?
Alfombra, no?
Oso ondo.
Yeah, the taste,
Irene, alde zarrean gaude. Etorri, nahi baduzu.
Irene etorri,
Botx.
Irene etorri.
Irene, etorri. Markel, mila esker nik jarraitzeagatik. Etorri. Alde zarrean gaude.
I make in the morning.
Norbait eta User,
Uster Malen.
Malen.
Oida.
Eta norbaitekin
Nicaragua.
polita da. Cute, yeah.
This one.
Eta bepar beharpenak dago.
Yes.
It's a
Una ganga.
Obeto.
Una ganga.
Una ganga da. Una ganga zer da.
like
Ofertona, bai? Una ganga da.
in South America normally the
Eta zu ere bai, ezta?
Colombian
nahi
or
dut.
Brazil is
Luzea da.
chocolate. But this one, if you see the it's fruity and like
Bueno, zer?
pomelo,
Zer moduz bizitza?
mandarin. Yeah, it's
Muy corra la publicidad.
see like
Zergatik.
strawberry.
They stole my
Ah,
phone.
your phone.
Yes.
Ah, bai,
It's
bai.
not like
Mugikorra.
Muy corra móvil.
It's
Mugikorra
similar.
lapurtu.
And yeah,
Yes.
it's I am
Lapurtu
from
du.
from Nicaragua.
Mugikorrak
Segovia, from-
lapurtu du.
I know the
Mugikorra. Mugikorrak
the producer,
lapurtu
the
dituzte.
farmer.
Mugikorra lapurtu dute.
Yeah.
Mugikorria apurte dute. Apurte dute.
Lapurtu.
Mugikorria.
Mugikorra.
Mugikorra lapurte du. Lapurtu. Mugikorria lapurtu dute.
Bai.
El
They
otro
stole my
es
phone.
de Nicaragua y de Costa Rica.
Mugikorria lapurtu dute.
Mugikorra.
Mugikorra lapurte
Lapurtu.
Lapurtu.
Te habla a mí.
¿Qué? Berriro.
Lapurtu. Mugikorra lapurtu.
Mugikorria.
Mugikorra.
Mugikorra.
Yes.
Obeto, no es? Mugikorra. Mugikorra lapurtu
Luego
dute.
tenemos, te recomendaría si quieres
Azkenia.
probar en Etiopía
Mugikorra
muy bueno.
lapurtu dute.
Tienes,
Oida.
mira, ayer
Lapurtu dute.
Eliana
Ez di esartu, beste
Eta morrada ikusten duzun balkoen abai, xel kanpo, baina zergatik ez esan Kaixo, Scott, zaitut? No,
Kaixo Scott.
lauzu. ¿Por qué no me dijiste ahora?
Zergatik ez didazu agurresan.
Zergatik ez didazu Kaixo, Xael. Ez da ezer. Ez da ezer. Zer moduz. Bueno, AH Euskal Herria mila esker. Horrengatik, begira, Malen, User Malen dago. Eta norbait dago. Esan zerbait.
Kaixo.
Hitz egin, fiskal. Presentako.
Hola,
Nongoa zara.
Malen naiz.
Bai.
Es que gero igual ez da un emanda, me hacen bullying,
No. Nadie te va a mandarle bullying.
Kaixo, ni Malen naiz.
Si los
Zurara
bullying,
naiz, eta-
te bota de mi zuzenean.
Yes, gora eta no, de eso no seguimos.
No. Ya sabéis, ¿habéis visto en mis TikToks? Ahora en la cuadrilla de Luque, de
Yes,
Ketio.
Achu, that's my friend, Achu.
Achu.
Yes.
Ezagutzen duzu Achu?
Zaino,
Ezaina
me
algo da.
cae bien, Achu me cae bien.
Oso, Achu onda da.
Cuida, baina beste,
Baina,
beste, ekain ekain me cae mal.
Bueno. Por eso dije el otro día, no estoy aquí. Itza, mi esker jarraitzeagatik. Hemen gaude. Bueno, mi esker etortzeagatik lagunak. Hemen gaude, zuzene bat... Motxen. Alde zarrean gaude. Mi esker etortzeagatik. Agur.
O sea, sí, pero también nos puedes